Come and see me for once. Come and see me for.
If you're like me and love ice cream but do not want the extra calories, I want to show you how you can still enjoy ice cream and be healthy. So here are the ingredients that you need to make your ice cream: creamer, spinach, cocoa powder, chocolate powder, ice, agave, and avocado. So first, we are going to take 1 cup of our creamer. We are using French vanilla, I think. With any of these recipes that I'm going to put out there, use French vanilla. Then we're going to use half of an avocado. This is what's going to give us that creamy texture for our ice cream. A handful of spinach. Gotta keep it healthy, guys. And depending on how chocolatey you want your ice cream to taste, the more chocolate powder you want to add, or less chocolate powder that you want to add. We like chocolate, so we're going for 3 scoops, maybe a little bit more. Next, add your ice. So we are going to just basically fill up the extra space with our ice. Eyeball it. If you want it to be a little bit more of not like a shake, you want to add a lot of ice. And to give it that sweetness, you need 2 tablespoons of agave. If you want a little bit more sweeter, go for 3 tablespoons. And now we're going to blend this bad boy up. Can't wait for this ice cream. And here is the texture of what you want your ice cream to look like. It should be nice and thick, not runny. If it's runny, it's going to be basically a milkshake or chocolate shake. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Find that cute little button wherever it is on your screen. Join the Shine team today because we are working on not being shy for the summer. Make sure you hit that little bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.